PER, the practical experience requirement. Very important. There is a criteria for any professional qualification. Passing exams is not the only thing. You have to demonstrate that you have work experience. And think about it. CA has articleship, MBA requires, most of the good MBAs require you to have a little bit of experience. Talk about CFA, talk about CPA, talk about anything. Everything requires experience, so does ACCA. The way to look at it is that it's split into 3 parts. Part 1, you need to work for 3 years, 36 months in the field of finance and accounts. At Zell, I always recommend people to go and work in a CA firm. That's what I had done. So it might be a little difficult, but it might be low paying, but you get real on-the-ground experience. It makes a big difference. Otherwise, you can join any company as long as it's the field of finance or accounts. So you can join the Big Four, you can join your dad's business, you can go and work even in non-finance industries, but in the finance department of any company, right? So my father has a restaurant chain. I spent a couple of months working with him in the finance team, and that gets counted as your experience. So that is part 1. And part 2 is called performance objectives, and part 3 is called your ethics module. For these 2 details, we've made a detailed video on PER. Please have a look. You'll get full clarity, but you need to complete all of these. If you only complete your exams, but not this work experience, you're called an ACCA affiliate. You complete the work experience and then you become an ACCA member. That's what you have to aim for. So if you have any more questions, feel free. We are always here as an advocate, biggest advocate of ACCA in India. We have been able to push the boundaries of ACCA's recognition in India, the kind of jobs our students are getting, the kind of understanding that the industry gets about ACCA. We've tried to make sure that all of that helps all of us keep on moving ahead in our career, whether it's in India or overseas.